I love being in the outdoors. That's something that really inspires and motivates me. Just being out there is really something that helps me refocus. My name is Thiago Bazzi. I graduated from the Technical Apparel Design program at the Wilson School of Design. It all starts with the user. So in technical apparel, we are always trying to solve someone's problem. For example, we are designing for someone climbing a mountain. They need to have good articulation to reach. The harness can't be covering the pockets because they're going to be hanging from the tiny rope. We were encouraged all the time during the program to go and explore. Just be out there talking to users of things that we would potentially be designing for. So we had kayaking trips. We would visit the fire hall, talk to firefighters. There's just so many different opportunities for people who graduate from this program. For example, they can go into design, they can go into pattern making, they can go into product development, business, color, materials. There's just so many different avenues to go. So I work for Arc'teryx and I'm a product developer there. Every day is so unique. I'm basically responsible for a couple models every season, and I have to guide the model through the prototyping phases and sampling. So I communicate with designers and the pattern makers and the factories to make sure that the samples, prototypes that are coming out are meeting the design intent. I had never made a garment before I joined. I know where to look for the answers that I need now. The Technical Apparel Design program empowered me to communicate better the things that we need. I think design is just the art of getting something out of your head and just putting it into the world.